Winter is that time of the year when everything feels cozy, but let's be honest, it can also make you feel sluggish, dull, and not your best. Your skin starts flaking, your hair feels like straw, and suddenly your life just doesn't hit the same. But that's also why winter is the perfect season for a glow up. When everyone else is freaking out, you'll be out here secretly leveling up, from skincare and body care to hair care and little habits that make a big difference. Let's start with skincare, because no glow up starts without healthy skin. In winter, your goal isn't to overload your skin with 100 products. It's to keep it hydrated and protected. Stick to a simple routine that actually works. In the morning, wash your face with a gentle, cream-based cleanser that doesn't leave your skin feeling tight or dry. Avoid foaming cleansers. They strip away your natural oils, which you need right now. Then use a hydrating toner or essence if you like, but it's totally optional. What's non-negotiable is moisturizer. Go for one that feels rich and comforting but not greasy. Think ingredients like ceramides and glycerin. And yes, even if it's cloudy outside, sunscreen is still non-negotiable. Winter is no exception to UV rays, it can still cause damage. And please, don't forget your lips. They're the first to show winter damage. Use a thick lip balm at night, and once or twice a week, gently scrub them with sugar and honey for soft, plump lips. Now moving on to body care. Because your face isn't the only thing that deserves love. The secret to soft, glowing skin in winter is layering moisture. Start in the shower with a creamy, moisturizing body wash instead of harsh soaps. After showering, while your skin is still slightly damp, apply a thick lotion or body butter. This locks in all the moisture and makes your skin feel baby soft. If you want that extra glow, mix a few drops of body oil into your lotion. For exfoliation, use a body scrub once a week, or just mix sugar with coconut oil at home. It's affordable and super effective. Don't ignore your hands and feet. Apply a rich cream before bed and wear cotton socks or gloves overnight. You'll wake up with the softest skin ever. And if you're someone who struggles with body odor or uneven tone, use a glycolic acid toner on your underarms once or twice a week. It helps prevent bumps and brightens the skin. Also, drink more water. I know it's cold, and cold water isn't tempting, but try warm water with lemon or mint. Hydration from within shows on your skin faster than you think. Now let's talk about hair care, because winter can make your hair look like it's been through a sandstorm. The key is moisture and protection. Oil your hair once a week with warm coconut or argan oil. Gently massage your scalp to boost blood flow. Then wash it off after an hour using a sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo and follow up with a conditioner every single time and once a week. Try a deep conditioning mask to nourish your hair also. Limit heat styling as much as possible because dry air already makes your hair fragile. Finally, let's talk about the little lifestyle changes that complete your winter glow up. First, move your body. It doesn't have to be an intense workout. Even a 10-minute morning stretch or walk gets your blood flowing and brings natural color to your face. Second, fix your sleep schedule. Dark circles and dull skin are not cute, and no skincare product can beat good sleep. Third, add more colorful fruits and veggies to your meals. Foods rich in vitamin C like oranges, guava, and walnuts make your skin glow from within. Also, keep your surroundings cozy. Your environment affects your energy more than you realize. Light a candle, keep your study space tidy, and wear colors that make you feel alive. Also, romanticize your life this winter. Soft sweaters, cute boots, glossy lips, and clean, moisturized skin will make you look effortlessly put together. And remember, glowing up isn't about changing who you are. It's about taking care of yourself, even if it's winter. So, while everyone else is blaming the cold for feeling tired and lazy, you'll be glowing, confident, and completely unbothered. Because the truth is, the real glow up isn't just about your skin or your hair, it's the energy you carry when you know you've been showing up for yourself.